Before chopping down a tree, check the area around you to make sure there are no hazards. For example, look for things that the tree could fall on, such as buildings, vehicles, or power lines. Try to choose a day when there won't be a lot of wind or rain, since this could affect how the tree falls. Wear a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, work gloves, sturdy work boots, a hard hat, and goggles to protect yourself while you work. Choose a chainsaw that is appropriate for the size of the tree you're cutting down. For instance, use a 16 to 18 inch, 41 to 46 centimeter chainsaw for small to medium trees. Use a 20 to 24 inch, 51 to 61 centimeters for a larger tree. Use pruning shears to cut away any undergrowth at the base of the tree and move the debris out of the way. Stand on the opposite side of the tree from the direction it will fall. You can usually determine the fall direction by observing the natural lean of the tree. It should fall in the direction it's leaning. Turn yourself 45 degrees to the left and make sure there's a clear path in that direction, in case the tree starts to fall towards you. Make sure you also have a clear path 90 degrees to your right in case you need an alternate escape route. Then go around to the side of the tree where you'd like it to fall and cut a notch about 1/3 of the way into the trunk with your saw. Make the cut downward at a 70-degree angle. Then make a horizontal cut directly under the first cut to remove a triangular wedge of wood. Go to the other side of the tree and line up your saw with the bottom edge of the notch you made. Then cut across the trunk horizontally to the notch on the other side in a smooth motion. When there's about 10% of the trunk left between the notch and the cut on the other side, the tree should start to fall. Turn on the brake on your chainsaw and pull it out of the tree. Then quickly move a safe distance away using your planned escape route. Move backward so you can keep watching the tree to make sure it isn't falling in your direction.